Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to complete your word challenges assignment. Okay, so in your learning module, you will see your instructional document attached. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here's our project description. For this assignment, you will view learning videos and tutorials from GCF Learn Free and complete 20 challenges that accompany them. Although students will only complete 20 of the challenges to submit, students are responsible for viewing all of the videos and tutorials in the series. For each challenge, students will download the start file located at the bottom of each tutorial, complete the steps in Microsoft Word to learn the tools, and then save the completed challenge. Each of these mini lessons will take approximately 5 minutes to complete, depending on student experience. Once you have completed all 20 challenges, you will submit them in a zipped folder through the assignment link in your learning module. Students can use the following printable checklist to keep track of challenges. So let's take a look at this list. I'm going to scroll down here. You will see that all of the lessons that you will be learning are listed here numerically. So there are 35 lessons. Don't worry, they're actually really short lessons. Some of the videos are only 2 minutes long or 2.5 minutes long. So don't be intimidated by the number of lessons. They're kind of like miniature lessons. All right, so you'll see here in the list, these ones are marked not required. So that means, lesson number 1, lesson number 2, you will only need to view the video and tutorial for it. Once you get to lesson 3, 4, and 5, these ones you will view the video and tutorial, and then you'll go ahead and practice your skills and complete a little challenge that's associated with this lesson. So let's take a look at the lessons and the challenges now. You'll see that there is a link right here that will take you straight to the website. There's also a link in your learning module. So I'm going to click Control and click on it. Okay, so this is gcflearnfree.org, and this is a really nice website that we're going to be utilizing for free lessons in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Let's take a look at this list of lessons here. You'll notice that they're the same ones listed on the form or the assignment description. And so here are all the lessons in order. I'm going to scroll to the top. So you probably recognize getting started with Word from that assignment. So you've actually already completed that lesson. All right, so once I'm moving on to my second lesson, I'm just click on the title here, and it will take me into the tutorial. Now, some of the tutorials have a associated video. This one does not. So I would just be responsible for reading through it, and it guides me through the benefits of OneDrive and understanding what that is and how that works. So it's a really short lesson, see? So once I'm done with that lesson, I can mark that off my checklist, and then I can continue on. So I can click this continue button, which will take me to lesson number 3, or I can also click this back to tutorial button up here on the upper right, and that will take me to the entire list. So it's up to you how you'd want to navigate around. All right, let's take a look at one of these challenges. So here's one, working with text. So starting with lesson number 5, we're starting to see what we can do with text. So I'm going to click on number 5, text basics. Okay, so you'll see this one has a really nice learning video. Okay, so as a student, I would sit and watch this video. So this video is 4 minutes long. Okay, we're not going to watch the whole thing together, but I just wanted to demonstrate. So this one is 4 minutes long. Some of them are 1.5 minutes, some of them are 2 minutes, some of them are 3 minutes. So they're relatively short lessons. So once you're done watching the video, you can continue on viewing the rest of the tutorial. Now, some of this is just a repeat of what you're seeing in the video, but there are some extra little details sometimes in the tutorial, so you want to go ahead and read through that as well. Okay, once you have read through this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this to the bottom so we can see the challenge. So here's my challenge. Okay, each challenge will come with a practice document for you to complete the steps. So this one would be about word text basics, excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the practice document here to open it. And I'm going to open this document up. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be practicing the skills I just learned. The first thing I want to do is save this start file to my start file folder. So I'm going to click on File, Save As, and then go to Browse. Remember those class folders we made before? Go ahead and go to your BCIS 1110 folders, go to Word, and put this in your Start Files folder. You don't need to change the name, just go ahead and leave it as is and save it. All right, and then now that I have that start file saved, I can go ahead and complete my challenge. So these would be the steps to complete the challenge. You're going to be typing some text, you're going to use your arrow keys and change some text, you're going to drag and drop, etc. And all of these things I would have learned in the video and the tutorial. Once I'm done completing my little challenge and trying it out, I'm going to save this to my completed challenges folder. So I'm going to go back to the file and then click Save As. Browse. This time, instead of putting it in my Start Files folder, I'm going to save it to my Word Challenges files. And if you'd like to help keep them straight, you can add something to the end of the name here. So click here where the name is, and you can add V2, for example, for version 2, or maybe done, or complete. Okay, and then save it in here where it says Word Challenge Files. Once you're done with all 20 of these challenges, you will be zipping up the folder and submitting it in Learn. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you have a very nice day.